So, okay, so this is the right turn. We're going to try and do the right turn in 360. So we'll do the two 180s. So turn around. So we're taking the left one here, the right one here. We slide it into the inside, or we flip it into the inside with the figure eight. Okay, now we're going to put our weight on our right leg mostly. Okay, then we're going to take off and turn to the right, where the right hand goes across the bottom, left hand goes across the top. Step, pivot, turn, and then shifting your weight to the other side. And now your left foot is going to feel like it's forward if you look toward your poi on the left side. Then from here, your right poi goes over the top, the weight stays on your right foot, you push off with your left, you're going to bring the right poi over the top, left across the bottom, and you end up back where you started. Okay, so let's try that again a little faster. So right goes across the bottom, left across the top, push off, turn, right goes across the top, left goes across the bottom, push off and turn. Okay, now let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right bottom, left top, push off, right top, left bottom, back where you started. 5, 6, 7, 8, right on bottom, left on top, push off and turn, right on top, left on bottom, push off and turn. Okay, now let's try and do just connected with me calling out even less, and 5, 6, 7, and 180, and 180. 5, 6, 7, 8, 180, and 180. 5, 6, 7, 8, 180, and 180, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 180, and 180. Okay, so that's the first half. That's the right turn. Now, if we're trying to do a switchback, the idea is we start going one way, and then we get back to where we started, but now we want to turn the other way. So turning the other way, we're starting on this side, and we're going to learn that. So now we're going to learn the left turn. Because I'm doing a switchback and I want to end up in the same place, right? I'm starting, when I'm going one way then the other, I start here, I step, I turn, but then I'm stepping back and stepping back. And that way I end up in the same place. If I don't remain anchored on the same foot, this is what ends up happening. Okay, so I would turn to the right, and then I would turn to the right where I step my right foot back. You alternate the feet, and then, okay, well, so I've moved, right, multiple feet, versus if I do it the way I was doing it, I'm pivoting around the same place. So for people who are stuck in place, pivoting on the same foot makes sense. For people who have the space to open it up, you can alternate the feet that you step with every time. But I'm teaching it anchored in place because I know most people are space limited for these things. So starting here, I'm still anchoring on the right foot. My hands are on this side. And then my right hand goes up and my left hand goes down. And then I'm stepping my left foot back as my right hand goes down and my left hand goes up. Okay, and then I step again to get back where I started. And then right goes up, left goes down. Step back with the left, left goes up, right goes down. Step back, right goes up, left goes down. Step back, left goes down, or left goes up, right goes down. Step back, right goes up, left goes down. Step back, left goes up, right goes down. Step back, left goes down, right goes up. Step back, left goes up, right goes down, and then at speed. Starting from an overhand butterfly, this time we're sliding to the right. So the right hand is just going to slide over. The left slides over and then does a figure eight to come to the inside. Okay, and I am doing this in split time. The right is going to go up, the left is going to go down, come to your left side. Then you're going to step back, and as you step back, it will now be on your right side because your hips have opened to the other side of your body. Your left is going to go up, your right goes down, and you step back to where you started. Okay, so repeating, the left goes down, right goes up, step back with your left foot, and then your left goes up and your right goes down, and step back with your left foot again and you're back where you started. Okay, so left down, right up, step back with the left, left up, right down. Step back with the left again. Right up, left down, step back with the left, left up, right down, step back with the left. So let me switch it. So I will start facing the camera on the first turn. And then what was if you start facing away from the camera on the first turn, you'll end up with me and you'll be able to see me when you're doing the second part of the turn. Okay, so we start in overhand, slide the right hand to the right, slide the left hand to the right, figure 8 into the inside, go into split time. Right hand goes up, left hand goes down, and then we're going to step and switch the feet somehow, however you do it, forward or backward. Now, we're on the other side of the turn. Your left is going to go up, your right is going to go down. And now, if you switch your feet, you should be back where you started, facing away from the camera. So, left goes down, right goes up, step your feet. Left goes up, right goes down, you're back to start. So, we're here. We're going to start in overhand butterfly. Put them over on the right side, split time. Okay, so right goes up, left goes down, step to turn, left goes up, right goes down, step to turn and return back to where you started, switch the side. Now we're going to do the right turn. Now you don't have to do that. I mean, technically you don't have to do that thing in the middle here, but I actually think it adds some interest. So I'll face the audience and show you what I mean. So this is without it, where you go and then just go and go and go and go and go and go. And that I feel like that's okay. It's cool. But it moves so fast, you don't have a lot of contrast. And to me, part of what makes performing good is when you have the contrast between size, shape, speed, that sort of thing. So I think it looks a little bit better when you do this whole thing where you switch it. Like, because I have that extra beat in there across the front. If that makes sense. Personal preference. You don't have to. I just like it. And I was just turning at different points in there too. Because, like, doing the switch back at different points, because you can do it anywhere. Once you know how to do it in one place, you can do it any place.